Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Game of Thrones Kingsroad game on PC. And this game is completely free to download. So here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all open Steam, go to the store web page and in search the store search for Game of Thrones Kingsroad and then click on the game. Scroll down and here you will see play Game of Thrones Kingsroad free to play. So click on play game button and here you can see Game of Thrones Kingsroad and the file size is 39.23 GB. So click on install. Now please read the EU LA terms and condition and then click on accept. Now go to the library tab and here you can see that Game of Thrones Kingsroad game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can also download Game of Thrones Kingsroad for free on PC and the game is completely free to download. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.